Here we have the Ryobi 1 Plus HP high torque impact wrench in the 1/2 inch size. So this is the 1600 Newton meter version. It is the strongest one that they make. It's got its settings all the way up to insane and for general use, you know, tightening in the reverse, the undoing or unscrewing is 1600 Newton meters there. So flywheel bolts, crank pulley bolts, flywheel bolts, that sort of stuff, the really high torque stuff. This should come in handy a lot. Versus the other ones, there's a mid torque and a low torque or a general purpose version of this as well. So what's in the box? It is the tool only. It's not including any batteries or any charger or anything like that. And this was $449, I think. So again, expensive, but it is, as much as people consider Ryobi to be, you know, cheap and non-professional, like if you're a tradesman and you bought Ryobi, everyone would laugh at you. But for what it is, I think it's actually a really, really good bit of gear. So in the box, oh my goodness, you can feel the weight of that bad boy. I'm just gonna pop the camera down for 2 seconds and unwrap this with 2 hands. This is a unit and a half, honestly. It shits all over the Hitachi one. It's just crazy. What a unit. Now this only has a little 2 amp hour battery on it, but to undo a few wheel nuts, this should be ample. The torque on it is just insane, just even free spinning. Oh look, we've got a wheel here. Yes, I know. Do not do this at home. Don't use these as impact sockets. Close your eyes. Piece of cake. Obviously it's going to be a bit of a different situation when we try and get these CV joint bolts out, but I think it's going to make some pretty quick work out of it.